Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift from me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm sharing with you what I ordered from the Black Friday sales. Not everything has arrived yet, but a good few orders have, so I'm going to be sharing with you what I got so far. This is a mix of items and the vast majority of these sales are still happening, so where it's applicable I'll leave all discount codes and sale details in the description section along with the direct links to the items. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. So first up is my order from Tata Harper. As you can see, I went a little bit big this year, but their offer was amazing. So you get 25% off the entire site, which I don't think I've ever seen before. Like, they are definitely more on the luxury side, so they don't usually do big discounts. So it was absolutely amazing. I definitely took advantage. If you're not familiar with Tata Harper, then they're basically a luxury skincare line that specializes in more organic and natural ingredients. Their products are so beautiful though. They all come in these stunning glass bottles. The Nourishing Oil Cleanser is part of my regular rotation, and I'd say I've been using it for maybe like 2 or 3 years. It's just really nice, and even though it's an oil cleanser, I have combination skin and it is fantastic for that. It acts almost like a kind of balancing cleanser. Really amazing. Their face mask is amazing too, so I just went really big. So first up I have their Revitalizing Body Oil. As I mentioned, love that oil cleanser, and this one had really good reviews. Their packaging is just so stunning. Like, it looks absolutely gorgeous on your countertop, but the quality of the ingredients is like really there as well, and they just make the most lovely products. Also, this gorgeous green velvet pouch. I thought this was so stunning. This one comes with 3 products inside. So there is the Illuminating Moisturizer, the Illuminating Eye Cream, which is the one in particular I wanted to try. And then you also have here their cream highlighter as well. Again, all in their absolutely beautiful packaging. And then I have this gorgeous candle. So this is actually a collaboration with Netty. I'm not really sure how you say it, but it smells amazing. It is so lovely. It's like a little bit Christmassy, but only like a hint. So it's like a hint of pine, and it is so gorgeous. So I'm very excited to give this one a go. And then the last thing I got from them is this gorgeous set. I've spoken about the resurfacing mask before. It is amazing. Like, if you've not tried it, I would definitely recommend doing so. It's like a gel that goes on and you leave it on for only a few minutes. I tend to leave it on for about 20-25, and then you wipe it off and it looks like you've just been to a spa. Like, it is so good. It leaves your skin feeling so moisturized and clean, and just like your lip from within. So gorgeous. And they have this beautiful gift set. I think this would make a stunning gift as well. So you have a pot of their resurfacing mask. You also have this fantastic brush to put it on, and this is the softest thing ever. I usually just put it on with my fingers, so I'm excited to give this a go. And then you have their Regenerating Cleansing right here, and a beautifully soft flannel. How stunning is that? Like, so nice if you've not tried the set, but also beautiful as a gift. And I just thought the 25% off discount was an unbelievably good deal. So I'll pop all the details of that below, but definitely worth a try if you've not tried this line. They do the most amazing products. Next up, I did place an order at Monica Vinita to take advantage of their amazing sale. So they are doing 25% off, and I think that's under 150, but if you spend over 150, then you get 30% off. And they also do daily flash sales as well, like a seriously good one. So I got a pair of earrings and then 2 bracelets. So first up is this beautiful little bracelet. I've had my eye on this for a few years now and finally decided to take the plunge this year. And it is so gorgeous. It's fully adjustable as well, which I love because I do have slightly smaller wrists, so a lot of times just kind of standard bracelet sizes just do not work on me at all, whereas this one is fully and easily adjustable as well. Has this beautiful diamond pave detail right there, and it's just the daintiest, prettiest thing. Like, so lovely. I've really been getting into my jewelry recently, and I think this will look gorgeous layered up with some other pieces. Just really sparkly and pretty, but not so sparkly that you're going to feel weird wearing it every day. Just the loveliest thing. And then the next piece is potluck, because I don't know which one is which. They all have the same boxes. Oh, these are the earrings. So funny story, they actually sell these in singles as well, which I didn't realize. So I placed my order kind of right when the sale launched, and I accidentally only ordered one, so then I had to place another order for the second one. I felt like an idiot. I did think it was very cheap. I was like, wow, what an amazing amazing deal. No, it was just one earring. But they also sell them as a pair as well. And I thought these were adorable, just really pretty everyday studs, really, really tiny. I have a few kind of stud earrings, but they are like slightly more on the larger side. So I wanted something that was very, very small when I want the focus more to be on kind of other elements, other jewelry, but I do still want to wear an earring. I thought these would be perfect. Really dainty. These come in rose gold and gold as well. For some reason, I do generally tend to prefer kind of studs in like a white gold or a silver, so that's why I went for these, whereas my other pieces I did go for more of a rose gold. But yeah, I thought these were really, really pretty. And then my last one is, I think, probably my favorite, and I went to order this one last year, but when I went to order it, it wasn't out of stock, but like sometimes they back order things, so the delivery time was like 3 months. I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna wait 3 months, but I managed to get it this year, which I was really excited about. And it is the prettiest things. They have two which are very similar, which I didn't even really realize. I properly looked into it this year. This one is the kind of flatter version, so they have another one which is a little bit thicker. And I think this is gorgeous. Like, it is so, so pretty. It has that beautiful little beaded design, and it is just the daintiest, prettiest thing, like so, so stunning. And I'm just beyond thrilled with this. Like, as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh my goodness, I love it. Just so absolutely adorable, and their sale at the moment is incredible. Next up, I did get my order in from Missima. I did mention that I repurchased my bracelet. If you've watched me for a while, you'll probably recognize this one because I wore it pretty much every day, I think for like 18 months, maybe 2 years. And then somehow this year I lost it, and I've looked for it, and it's been months now and I still can't find it. So I was waiting for the sale to buy another one. I absolutely love this thing. It is the prettiest design. I also have the necklace as well, but this is just the prettiest everyday piece. It is really simple, but just really, really beautiful. It is fantastic for layering as well. I love the combination with my Cartier Jewel and Clue bracelet. I just think it goes so beautifully. And just a really simple design. So it's like a double strand, so you get that easy kind of layering and look without having to faff about with lots of different styles. And the beading is just so beautiful, and this thing is durable. Like my last one, I literally wore it every day. I didn't take it off. I showered in it, I slept in it, and it still looked fantastic. So hopefully this one will last me just as well. I won't actually lose this one. And yeah, really, really happy with this. And this is 25% off at the moment, as is their entire line, including my necklace, which I've just been totally obsessed with. Just an amazing sale, and their jewelry is so, so gorgeous. Next up is Abercrombie. I did get my order through from them, so they are having 30% off in the US and 25% off everything in the UK. So I did buy a few bits and pieces. I did quickly want to mention the dress that I showed the other day because I was getting some messages about sizing on it. Usually I'm very standardly a size small in all Abercrombie items. I did go for the extra small in this one, and I actually ordered both sizes because I knew I loved the dress and I wanted to make sure I got the right size, and I thought it might sell out, so I ordered both. And I ended up going for the extra small, just because the small did fit, but it was a little bit loose around the waist section. I do think it's the kind of dress where you need it to be form-fitting, otherwise it doesn't look quite right. So I did size down to the extra small, and it fits great. So I would say if you were in between sizes, to size down for this one to get like a properly kind of snug fit. So first up is this top, and I was so excited when I saw this. I thought it looked fantastic, just really inexpensive, but it's the kind of thing which I think will just go with everything. I've already tried this on with a bunch of different outfits. I think it looks great with jeans, it looks good with skirts. You know, you can really dress it up with a pencil skirt if you want to, but it also looks good with a more kind of flowing skirt. Just really, really versatile. This one definitely is more on the shorter side, so it's not like a full-on crop top, but you're definitely going to need something high-waisted to wear with it. I can just about team it with a pair of high-waisted jeans, but you don't get a lot of excess material to tuck. So definitely a crop style, but I think it's adorable. It also means that with high-waisted skirts you don't get a lot of extra bulk, which is always such a good thing. And it just has this fantastic cutout detail right at the neckline. Really, really comfy to wear. There's a decent amount of stretch to it. I think this one comes in white as well. Classic me, I just wanted the black, so I know I'm going to get the most use out of it, but I love this. Really nice, fits really well, and just so, so versatile. Next up is this adorable cardigan. I thought this was so cute. I've been very into my cardigans with jeans look, especially with a pair of straight leg jeans. I think they look really cute and just a little bit different. You dress them up with heels, you can team them with sneakers if you want to, but I just love the combination. I went for this really beautiful kind of sea green blue color, but it has like a hint of grey in it, so I thought it would team really nicely with my grey bags. I do love my grey bags, and I just thought this was beautiful. I am planning on just wearing it as like a proper top rather than like a button-up cardigan with a camisole, but you could definitely do that as well. I think this would look cute with skirt. Just a really lovely piece, very, very soft as well. A lot of these items are from their Soft AF collection, which Dan is also obsessed with, but they do the most amazing fabrics, which are just so soft and so snuggly, and this one is just so, so lovely. Next up is this green top, and I absolutely love this thing. I've definitely been on a bit of a green kick recently, which I never usually am. Like, green is usually not my color, but between my necklace and a couple of other items I got, like, I've just been loving this trend of beautiful rich green shades. I thought this was beautiful. Like, it fits so, so nicely. So it is a kind of ribbed knit, but it is so flattering. Like, it does not cling at all. You have this really beautiful, gentle, sweetheart neckline, and the rib detailing is kind of almost diagonal, so for whatever reason it's very, very flattering. You have a slightly wider neckline as well, so you really kind of tap into that wider neckline trend. Beautiful to show off some jewelry, and I thought this was so stunning. It is also incredibly soft as well, so very, very nice to wear and very comfortable, but also I just think it looks great. Like, I love it with jeans. I think it would look great with skirt. It's just a really beautiful one. I think this one came in other colors as well, but I thought this emerald green was just so unbelievably pretty, and I am over the moon with this. I just think it's beautiful. And then I did get a mini skirt as well. I thought this was so great. So this is their vegan suede, and you know, vegan suede can sometimes be a little bit hit or miss, I find, but this feels like genuine suede. Like, it feels absolutely incredible. It is very, very soft, and I just thought this was beautiful. It has a nice amount of stretch as well. I have a vegan suede jacket from them from last year, and it's fantastic. It's in a very similar kind of color combination. Even like the fabric feels the same, but it's just extremely comfy to wear, and I thought this would be so perfect with some over-the-knee boots, just a nice white sweater. Really simple, really classic, and just a really, really nice kind of wardrobe staple. It is definitely a mini, but I don't feel like it's ridiculously short. And I just love this. Really, really happy with it, and I'm very, very comfy as well. And then I loved it so much that I decided to go for the faux leather version as well. I always think it's difficult to get faux leather right, because sometimes it can just feel a little bit plasticky and not all that comfy, whereas this has all the softness of real leather, and you have, like, I feel a little bit more stretch as well. So it fits very, very nicely, very comfortable to wear, and very streamlined as well. So there are no kind of overt seams. Like, you do have the seam detailing, but it lies flat, which I always think is so important in getting a kind of nice silhouette. And I love this so much. The inside has kind of like, it's almost like a microfiber feel, so it's very, very soft to wear. And yeah, I'm just obsessed with all things Abercrombie at the moment, and I thought these pieces were so great and look so much more expensive than they are. Next up, I did get my candle order through, and I ordered the most industrial amount of candles, but we have a lot of gifts to give to clients this year, and it can get really, really expensive. So I saw this deal and I thought it was just fantastic. So I did get these from 24/7, and if you spend over £250 or dollars or euros, then you get 20% off, and if you spend over 500, then you can get 25% off. I actually spent over 500, so I got the full 25% off, and this is just a box of diptyque candles, which makes me very, very happy. I wish I could keep them all, but these are gifts. So I got the candle trio set, which is this way round, and these are just beautiful, and the packaging is so, so nice. I am going to open one because one of these is actually for my mum. I don't think she'll mind if I open the wrapper. So it opens up like so, so the box just pops off. Ooh. And inside is their trio of holiday candles. How beautiful is that? And they all smell so, so good. And I don't usually love like every single scent in the diptyque holiday collection. You know, usually I like one or two. This year, they all smell incredible. Just unbelievably beautiful gifts, and a great saving as well if you hit the 250 or the 500 pound or dollar mark, and a nice way to make some savings if, like me, you have a lot of people to buy for. Next up are a couple of items from Nordstrom. I don't believe these ones are currently on sale, but if there are any sale details or discounts, then I will mark those below. But I love these so much that I thought they were worth full price. I'm still very much on my festive sweater kick. I saw this one, I thought it was adorable. It just says Merry Merry, and it's just the cutest thing. So the Merry is in like a candy cane print, so it's white and red, and then it's against this navy backdrop. It's really lovely, and it is a sweatshirt, but it's like a thinner one, so it's not like a really heavy duty like baggy sweatshirt. It's a little bit more on the slimmer side as a result, so a little bit more flattering, but you still get that lovely fleece detailing on the inside. I just thought this was really cute, like really fun. I'm planning on spending December literally just only in festive clothing, and I just love this. Really cute. Next up are these beautiful earrings, and these are a new version of some that I got a few years ago, which unfortunately just broke. So I knew I wanted something similar, and I just love this tassel style, and December is pretty much the only time of year I do wear earrings like this. Like usually I'm much more of a subtle or a dainty jewelry kind of girl, but I do love a good statement earring around the holidays, and I thought these were adorable. They come in a whole bunch of different colors. I always like white because I just think it's still a statement, but it isn't like so overpowering with your look. And these are just so pretty. They have a nice amount of sparkle to them, and they're just adorable, really fun, and yeah, just a really lovely addition to holiday outfits. Next up is a top, and this one is actually on sale in a few different places. So my exact color is on sale for 25% off, but you can also get a slightly different shade of pink for, I think it's 30 or 40% off. So depending on what color you wanted, you could get varying discounts. It is so cute though. It's just the perfect slightly flowy blouse, so I'd probably only wear this one with skinny jeans. I think with a heavier bottom it wouldn't necessarily work, but with skinny jeans I think it is adorable. You have these absolutely beautiful button details as well. I always love a good button. The color is really rich and lovely, and the sleeves are a beautiful semi-sheer one as well. So it does look quite expensive, and it just kind of flows in a really nice way. And for the price, I thought it was an absolute steal. So really happy with this, especially for the price. Next up, I did get a few pieces from Ann Taylor, and they are currently live with a 50% off sale. I think this one is only available in the US. I haven't checked every country though, but I think it's only US, but 50% off is always amazing, and they have the most adorable pieces at the moment. So first up, and probably my favorite, this pearl detail sweater. I love pearls. I think they are so beautiful. I thought this was absolutely adorable. It's like a chunky knit, so there is a substantial amount of weight, and it is this lovely kind of cable knit designed all the way through. It's all black, but then you have these beautiful pearl white details all over. So gorgeous. You also have this great boat neckline, so it is like a little bit different. Really flattering. I did size down in this one because it is like more of a chunky knit, but I thought this was absolutely gorgeous, really classic as well, fairly soft, and just the cutest thing. And then next up from Ann Taylor is this adorable camisole. I thought this was so lovely. So this one is a little bit longer and a bit more substantial than your usual camisole. It is double layered, and it's very silky soft on the front, has a slightly higher neckline, and you do have adjustable straps. I love the fact that the straps are so thin as well. I just think it makes it look really dainty and elegant. I thought this would be beautiful with everything pretty much. You can wear it with leggings, you can wear it with denim, you can do it with a skirt, just really versatile. Has a great square neckline, and the print is so beautiful. So it's a silky black backdrop, and then it's like an abstract polka dot, but the kind of dots are like a mix of white and then like a creamy brown, just really pretty. And I just thought this was stunning. It fits very nicely as well. Again, very soft to the touch, and just a really lovely one, which just looks very elegant for something so simple. And then last but not least, another adorable pearl detail one. I love these so much. They have a whole line of pearl detailed items like sweaters, and I just think they make the most beautiful things. Really special looking as well. And again, it's that nice kind of in between of being special enough to work for like a festive holiday occasion, but also not so Christmassy that you can only wear it during that last week in December. Just really cute. The fabric here is so incredibly soft again. This is like a proper cardigan, so it does button up. I think I'm just going to wear it as like a proper cardigan top. It's a dark grey, and then you have this beautiful pearl detail all over. It is a v-neck. You have the slight detailing around the neckline, which goes all the way down. Really pretty. I'm probably just planning on wearing mine with straight leg jeans, but I thought it was adorable, and I just cannot get enough of this pearl detailing. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. As usual, I will include links to everything I featured in the description section below. I'll also pop in my sizing for reference, and I'll also include any discount codes or sale details you need to shop them. If you have any questions for me, then leave me a comment, and if you've been enjoying my Black Friday sales coverage, please do give this video a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye! Bye guys.
Don't be